USD and New Zealand USD. These two pair is causing me a lot like trouble. Like I made a huge mistake in like trying to trade at this range over here. That's the issue lah. It's like there's this nagging feeling of, first of all, there's this nagging feeling of I shouldn't enter at this level, because is first of all is a downtrend. You can see time frame is a downtrend. Second is it is at the, I'm like buying at the resistance over here, consists of all these people. So initially I'm very skeptical of going by, but when I short, that time is also it's also a mistake. So this the question now I have is that what constitute a good level? What is better? Because from now what I see is that usually the price will have a huge movement at the after New York opening and after New York stock opening. So basically, like 9:30, you actually don't need to touch. The 10:30, you don't need to touch. What you need to do is try to get an entry at 11. For now, for some reason, that's always the timing where market open is spiked to one direction. Then after that, the big boys will just take over and just destroy everybody and move in another direction. So technically, what you can do is you can do a temporary entry. So for time from 9:30 to 9:30 to so timing from 9:30 to 11:30, which is 11, we should do a temporary buy against the trend. Do a fast exit. Then I think we can see okay, so this is the mistake that is that technically there's this small level And here you reach the extreme, then you got shot down right now. Here also the same thing. Here is a small level. It's the extreme, the second higher level. Then it got shut down again. So the question is, it's always play out in this form. That's why I always gonna burn twice, which is very crazy. Every day, every time, almost every time, always the same. The big boss wait until market like open, then it's like every day. Wow, it's a uptrend, it's a uptrend, it's a uptrend. Then it got smashed down. So let's just look at this tomorrow night. Oh. Let's look at this thing. Oh, so usually okay. So entry wise, time I entered like before market open, which I think it's just bad. Like before market open, like 8:30, 9:30 one time, 10:30 another time. That's why it's like 8:30 one time, 9:30 one time, 10:30. It's still we try to use in the temporary and so counter trend. Then 11:30 we just play with the main trend resume. That's the pattern that I'm looking at right now. So what did I do wrong? Actually, what the main thing that I did wrong is that I don't have conviction of going which direction. It's like the reason why I enter up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down is because the I go buy and I go short. I don't have this conviction of which direction should I try. Basically, I'm still. So is it a good trading day today? I would say it's quite bad, but it's okay. I forgive myself. Now it's still a learning lesson. So I forgive myself. Forgive myself. Okay, so now it's a learning lesson. Then next is why is it that is it went so wrong? It's because I don't have a conviction tree. Then or it's not because like I don't know. It's first of all the main reason why it's bad is because I did not do proper analysis. Since basically back to gambling with weak guidance. That is why. Then here I should run already. Ah, fuck it, let it run long. Okay. So it's still a bad. What I need is turn this into a process and track. So today is bad trading day. Let's aim to achieve. It's not about the